Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the file into a DAW and isolating what you'll remove. Open the song, duplicate the stereo track, and enable spectral or phase tools so you can see frequencies. Once done, solo a 10 to 20 second test clip to avoid working on the whole song at once. You'll save time and prevent irreversible edits. Make sure to set sample rate and bit depth to match the source, so the processed clip stays aligned and consistent with the master. Now you'll remove the words using spectral editing and separation. Zoom in on the vocal phonemes and consonant spikes. Use a brush or lasso tool to select those harmonic bands and lower their gain rather than deleting outright. If words overlap instruments, use source separation or mid-side processing to isolate the vocal content, then attenuate, resynthesize, or replace with noise that matches the background. While you work, play the clip repeatedly to check artifacts and adjust selection width and feathering so the result sounds natural. Finish by smoothing edits and matching tonal balance so the removed words do not stand out. Crossfade the edited regions, apply light EQ and de-essing to blend timbre, and then compare against the original to confirm consistency. Render a high-quality test export and listen on multiple systems. If you hear clicks, breathing artifacts, or robotic remnants, try resynthesis tools, a different separation model, or manually reconstruct the transient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.